Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making this super quick, super easy coffee cup sleeve. Use it for yourself or give it away as a gift. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. First, cut out 2 templates and tape them together to make a larger template. Place the front fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the backing fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down, and place the batting on top of that. Center the template on top, pin it in place, and cut out the entire stack. Center the elastic hair tie on one of the shorter ends in between the 2 layers of fabric and baste it in place. Stitch all around the piece using a 1/4 inch seam allowance, leaving a space on the bottom for turning. Clip the corners and trim away the excess hair tie. To reduce bulk, cut away the batting around the outside of the stitching lines. Turn the piece right side out and press it. Fold the opening under and press it to form a crease. Top stitch around the entire piece about 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Measure in about 1 inch from the opposite end of the hair tie and attach the button. Place the coffee sleeve around your cup and stretch the loop over the button to secure it. As before, if you need a tighter fit, move the elastic past the button, twist it to cross the elastic, and loop it back over the button. But be sure no hot beverages in the cup if you're holding the cup sideways. And just like that, just that fast, you've made a coffee cup sleeve with just a little bit of fabric and a little bit of your time. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.